Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Beenie has wrapped up his school tour dubbed Ever Clean. The tour featured friends of the entertainer, which included Chosen, Navino, among others. On the tour, Beenie brought awareness to the issue of climate change while placing emphasis on recycling and proper waste management and disposal. The Ever Clean school tour kicked off in November and saw him making stops at Horizon High School, Paul Bogle High, Yallas, Tarrant, Eltham and Greater Portmore High Schools. Dancehall superstar Shaggy recently visited the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, where he performed on the Daraya Music Festival. The festival was one of the activities during the country's Daraya season. The Grammy-winning artist performed songs such as Mr. Bombastic, Hey Sexy Lady, Strength of a Woman, among others. Shaggy shared this video of the performance on Instagram with his fans. The Daraya season is a set of international sports and entertainment events that takes place annually at Daraya, the birthplace of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which is a UNESCO heritage site. Now, American rapper French Montana recently announced the release date for his upcoming album. The unforgettable rapper, who was recently released from the intensive care unit in hospital, shared this photo on Instagram, assuring fans that his new album, dubbed Montana, will be released on Friday. He captioned the picture, "Can't Keep Me Down," says he's been working hard on the new album and is so proud to announce that it's coming on Friday. Montana says the music is keeping his spirit alive. He also thanked his fans for riding with him throughout this journey. Montana's upcoming album will be the first studio project since his 2017 Jungle Rules. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.